Maybe.
Helping you advertise.
Hey, I'm liking it. Either way. I video the back of you guys that keep your sticker on most of the time.
Yeah.
Somebody got mail.
Yeah.
Why is there a mailbox in the middle of nowhere?
I don't know.
Oh, we could have went through the rocks.
Oh, we should have. Maybe we're in the 100-acre wood, and that's where Winnie the Pooh lives.
Yeah, maybe. There's at least 100 acres of woods.
Yes. Got some mud on the lens.
Did we? Can't imagine.
I don't know why.
Where would that come from?
I don't know. Maybe them brand new 33-inch BFGs.
that might have something to do with it.
And some guy's lead foot. Whatever you did, it was sliding in there.
Yep. Wow.
This is soupy.
This is soupy.
Big soup. At this point, it's really good you got tires.
Oh boy, we went to Mayor last year.
Those bald Michelins you had before would not have done this.
They would not have done this.
Hey, those 3 flat fenders are behind us.
Are they?
So they're making it through.
That's cool.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah for flat fenders.
Another win for the Lewis community.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing this trail again tomorrow with the rate of the cray of the rain. Glad we're doing it today.
Yep. Yeah, I didn't realize the flat fenders were behind us. Looks like
Keep going, dude.
Don't stop now.
got too much torque.
Yeah. So much torque, the chassis twisted.
Yeah.
much torque.
Or low range.
Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, it was. They catching up? Yeah, there's some lights coming still.
Yep.
Yeah, this is definitely interesting over here. Must be out of range.
Yeah. So, have you done this one?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I did all the blue ones last year.
Okay. Well, we got 2 flat fenders made it.
Very good.
I bet that dip and turn was interested in those.
Yeah. Yeah, you can only do so much with mud. Yeehaw. That's what I didn't do. I didn't do my sway bar disconnects. That's
Oh.
what's different.
Yeah.
I was thinking the whole time, it's like this thing flexed better last time. That's why. Boy, it looked like that CJ was going on its side over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are not known for their stability. Although neither are 6-inch lift teachers.
Yeah. So different backwards.
It is.
Oh, this is this one. Yeah, this gets interesting up here.
Looks interesting.
There's rocks and stuff.
Hey Lee, hey Jacob, anybody got a copy?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I heard you say something before, and I called back but didn't hear from you.
Yeah, he must have been just out of range. It's nasty over here. There's mud and it's interesting.
You sound really close to us right now.
Yeah.
We're just getting ready to hit the swamp area up here. On the way out, the really bad swamp.
We are on the hillside beside you.
Oh, there they are, right there.
Okay, we're looking.
I can see you.
Yeah, I just saw you now.
Yeah, this has some spots that are deep.
Oh, come on. Don't go easy. You were in questionable decisions.
We are.
It says it on your license plate.
Yeah, it does. It is questionable decisions.
Easy, like a JK. I guess that's a JL.
Yeah.
All right. Good job. See.
Yeah.
A little more fun than the straight dirt path.
That guy's gonna do it too. We started something.
Yep. It's good to be the starter of trends. This looks slightly sketchy. We took the hard line.
Awesome.
See, green Jeeps are good.
Yeah, it's a green Jeep thing.
You want to understand.
Might as well go in a hole. We ain't broke anything yet. Might as well start.
It's the first time for everything. That's close.
If you're like watching, you're not just come off the brakes just a little, and it'll give you your steering back.
Yep.
All right.
That was steep.
Yep. Can't remember these little things like remembering to hit record.
I mean, it is confusing.
It's so confusing.
Good order.
That looks like fun.
Yeah. See, you can do that. See, I'm a fan of the old Lincoln motors, or the Lincoln lockers.
Yeah.
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 The Lincoln locker.
Lincoln. Yeah, Lincoln has a locker room.
Or the Miller lockers. Those work pretty good too.
Yeah. So Harbor Freight even makes a decent locker sometimes.
They do. The Arc lockers are a little bit stronger than the MIG lockers.
Yeah. Pushing down all the high points again.
Uh-huh.
Driving where nobody else does. Get the mud pack on the trail.
Yep.